In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma to PSD. If you've designed something in Figma and need to continue working in Adobe Photoshop, this quick workflow will get you there smoothly without any guesswork. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and signing in. Navigate to your project and open the specific design you want to convert. Make sure you can see the exact frame you plan to export. In Figma, frames act like pages or artboards, so double-check that you've selected the right one. If your design has multiple frames, you'll want to focus on the single frame that needs to become a Photoshop file. With the frame visible, go to the top menu, click File, and choose Export Frame to PDF. This creates a high-quality PDF of the selected frame. Take a moment to name your export clearly and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. If your design includes multiple frames and you export them together, the PDF may contain multiple pages, so keep track of what you exported for clarity later. Once the export is complete, switch over to Adobe Photoshop. Open Photoshop, then open the PDF you just exported from Figma. You can do this by using the Open command or dragging the file into Photoshop. When the PDF loads, Photoshop will interpret the content so you can work with it natively. Depending on how your design is structured, some elements may come in as rasterized layers or smart objects, and text might not always remain editable, especially if specific fonts aren't available on your system. That's normal for a PDF to Photoshop workflow. With the PDF open in Photoshop, go up to the File menu, choose Save As, and select PSD from the Format list. Pick a clear file name and location so you can easily return to it later. Saving as a PSD will lock in the Photoshop native format, allowing you to continue editing, organizing layers, and preparing assets for production or handoff. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your exported PDF and resulting PSD in the same project folder for better version control, and consider using consistent naming so you always know which PSD came from which frame. If you notice any visual differences after opening the PDF in Photoshop, that's typically due to how vector and text elements are interpreted, and it won't affect your ability to fine-tune the design within Photoshop. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Figma design into a PSD, ready for further editing in Adobe Photoshop.